In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some changes to your landing page, your capture page, and to your landing page. First of all, we're going to go to Edit page. There's something I want to show you guys here that is important. Go to Settings, and you want to scroll down. You see where it says Affiliation. You want to always tick that box. If I tick that box, I'll just watch. Systeme logo is here. When I tick on the box, the Systeme logo is there. The reason you want Systeme logo is because Systeme encourages affiliates payments. Okay, so when you're sharing your capture page, there are people who might want, a CRM, they want a site like Systeme. Because you are using it, they are going to click on the logo, they're going to enter in their email addresses, and they may buy or upgrade on Systeme. And once they do that, you're going to get a commission automatically. That's the beauty of Systeme. That's why a lot of people use Systeme, because you get these random sales and payments that you didn't do anything. You were just sharing your capture page, and then somebody finds your capture page, says, "Oh, that's interesting. What is Systeme?" They don't know system. Some people pronounce it system, some people pronounce it Systeme. What is this system? I don't know. They check it out. They love your landing page. They love what they see. They click, they enter in their email. So if I click on this, for instance, the edit section, if it's live, when somebody clicks on it, it's going to give them the opportunity to enter their email and get a free account. Systeme tracks that to you. And if that person decides to sign up and make a purchase, you will get a commission automatically. This is another income stream, okay? Lots of people don't share it, don't talk about it, but this is another income stream for you. So whenever you have or you create a capture page, a landing page or system, always remember to go to your settings and scroll down and make sure you tick that box. If I untick that box, you see it goes away. If I tick that box, it comes back. You want that box to be ticked because that's income for you that you didn't have to even promote. Just random payments will just come in. The next thing you want to do is you don't touch anything here, because the fonts here is what has been used to design the capture page, and you don't want to change it, okay? But if you scroll down, you choose the language, which is English, and then background image. If you want to change the background image, you click here to upload a background image. But one of the things I wanted to show you that is important is your search engine optimization, so that when people search on Google, your page can come up. You want to put some keywords here. And personally, what I've just done is I've taken some words from our webinar. Just go in there, or you can write up some things that describes the business, what you think people will be looking for. So put 100% profit business, 5 strategies for online business successes. This you can always change, but once you put it out there, it means that if somebody searches for online business success or 100% profit business, then this site will come up because of the keyword. The best way to find the description, or to write the description, is to use certain keyword softwares, and then you write a description, or you can use AI to do it. I've just done this quickly because of this presentation. So I will take my time to write my description and enter in my keywords. And then you want to put keywords that people are looking for: online business, make money online, work from home. I have work from home. I have earn money online, beginner friendly business online. So you add some keywords there. So when people are searching, it's going to pull up your page on the search engine. Okay, you'll be sharing this a lot, so you want your page to be picked up on the search engine by Google. And you give your page about a month or so, and it will be coming up on Google search engine. Okay, if you want to change the image that appears on social media, you upload one. So for instance, if you share this on social media, this page on the screen would come up. Or if you want a different page to come up so that it's different from other people's images, you can just go in. I think I have some images here. You scroll down. Yeah, something like this. This is nice. So whenever I share this link, the family photograph is going to come up. Let me just show it to you again. So you can go find stock free photographs. So this family photograph is going to show anytime I post my link online. Okay, so you go online and look for stock free photos, and I'll put a link for stock free photo site where you can go and find images, and then you can always change your image. So whenever you share your link online, your link won't be the same as everybody else's. It's going to be different. Okay. So now changing the background image. If you want to change the background image, you want to click it so it goes blue here. Okay, you see this blue bar. That's the section where the background image is. And if you scroll down, you can see where it says 1.peg PNG. This is the image that has been uploaded here. Okay, if I want to change it, I'm just going to go again. And I'm just going to find another image. Let me see. Let me see if I have another image. I might use the family one. I don't want to change that one anyway. But I'm just going to use that family one or something else just to differentiate. Let me try this one. Let me try this one. This is just to show you how to change. So you can see the one I just uploaded has gone in, but it's too big, right? So you also want to change the position. You have to scroll down, make some adjustments. It says 100% width. You want to center. You want to do repeat. To repeat is not good. So you just play around with these settings here until it comes to what you want. You know, scale without copying, so it's come in the middle. It's not a good one for that default as all fingers. We don't want that. So let's change that and put something else. Let's try the family one. Try the family one. Where's that family one again? So when you find your image that you want to use, you play around with it, okay? And let's try that family one. That's the family one if you want to use this. So you also go here, let's say fix center. You go repeat if you want it to be repeated. You don't want it to be repeated. I don't like the repeat. 100 it covers this. So if you like this, yeah. So you just want to find a picture that you like and then you change it. Personally, I want what was there previously, okay? So I'm going to take this out. I'm not going to save so that I get back my old picture, because once you save, you're not going to get that old one that was there previously. Okay, so we're out from that page, and then this is our thank you page. What can you do to this thank you page? You can change the color of the button if you want to. You click there. If you want to make it orange, and you go here, and you can choose red, purple, whatever color you want to use, okay? You want to go pink, and then you just move this around, okay? Depends on you, okay? And then you just move the color. If you just want to make it slightly different from yours, okay, from everybody else's. So I have that color. You can also copy the code of the color by clicking there, and the code is there. You copy the code, and then you come back to the button. Scroll down, you click on the color, and you just paste the code. Or you can get the code off Google. Can you see? The color is changed to that one. If you get the code off Google, then you find a color that you like and you get the code off Google. You can come in here and then you change it. And here if I wanted to change this one, I'm going to scroll down to purple, and I want to make it a little bit darker. Yeah, makes it a little bit darker. So I like the orange and the dark blue. Okay, so that's it for changing colors or editing. Something else to touching up your page is I like to add testimonials. Okay, so what I will do is add some testimonials, and I'll show you how to do that. You go to the community, you find a testimonial that you like, you crop it and save it into your computer, and then you come in here and I'm going to show you how you do it. So if I wanted to add an image here, I can just drag this, okay, and it gives me an image box. Then I'm going to go to this. Okay, so can you see that? So I like to add testimonials, okay? It's just nice when somebody lands on the thank you page, they listen to Michelle, they scroll down, they can see some evidence and testimonials in there. And you can add multiple. If you want to duplicate this, all you need to do is click on this double button, yeah, and to duplicate, and then you go in there, you change the here's where you download, where it says image file. I was doing it wrong before. And then you go in there, you go to your computer. Let me go to my computer because I already have some saved images. So if I go into my computer, I would go into let's go to Victoria. You would have downloaded them, okay? Screenshot them. So there you have some testimonials. It just makes it easy and nice when people come in to your welcome page. They can see, and you can even add videos. If you want to add a video here, you just drag that and you have a link. And I will print from this. You don't have to, but if you want to, okay? You just go again, click on this wheel, and you see that link there. It says YouTube. You can even add your own story if you want. And you can see it's populated. Reduce the size of this. You just come in here to the margins and you just do that. And it goes smaller. Okay, as small as you'd like it to. I think that's okay. Okay, and it's small, okay? And I think we can also yes, that's about it. The padding, this can also go smaller if you want to make it smaller and increase it. Okay, the padding. Okay, so that's your video added, and you can add anything else that you want to add, but I would say don't make it, don't, you know, populate it too much. You want to keep it simple. You want to keep it simple. Okay. And I hope this has helped you in touching out. Let me save it so you can see what you've done. And then I'm going to go to view page. I got it. Thank you. This is a preview page, okay? Don't use this URL. It's a preview page. So that's it. Thanks. The color is changed. If you scroll down, the button is changed. You can see you got the video here if you want the video, okay? And then the testimonials if you want the testimonials, and anything else you want to add here. You can do a video of yourself also here, just talking about why you signed up for the program, and then you add it in, okay, just to make it more personal to yourself. Okay, I hope this has helped. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask in the video, and I will respond with a video comments.